Sat Shri Akal. Today I'm going to be sharing something with you, the first two lines of which are very dear to me. My mama and my nani would sing this as a Shabad, adding Vaheguru after the first two lines, and I would read that for you with the Vaheguru added before we can proceed and finish the entire paragraph. Salok Mehla Panjwa. Prem Patola Taiso Ditta. Dakkan Kupat Meri Vaheguru. This cloak of love, affection, safety, graciousness, sensibility and strength that you have given me, dear Lord, it is to protect my honor. It is because you care about me and want me to succeed, and with my best in mind, you have given this to me. Dana bina sai meda, Nanak sar na jana teri Vaheguru. Dana bina sai meda. You are all knowing, dear Lord. There is nothing that you don't know. You are after all the Antaryami. But despite all of that, I am but a small and maybe ungrateful human being, that I have not been able to find your true value and hold on to your true value, even though you have given me that cloak and you have made me yours and made sure that you have protected my honor. Sar na jana teri Vaheguru. I have not really known your true worth and your true value. Forgive me, dear Lord. Forgive me. These two lines echo in my memory as I can hear Mama and Nani sing. Mama through many days and many nights with so much of devotion, and there is so much of meaning in these two lines that it is enough to put your faith in the Lord and have the Lord come to you. Mehla Panjwa. Tede Simran hab kichu ladham bikham na dittham koi. Tede Simran hab kichu ladham. If and by meditating on you, chanting your name, we can achieve everything. We get everything, so become na dittham koi. That there is nothing that we can't do. There becomes nothing that becomes difficult for us, because we have within us your name, your Simran. Jis path rakhe sacha sahib, Nanak made na sake koi. If the Lord wishes to keep your honor, jis path rakhe, if it is your honor that the Lord wishes to preserve, Nanak made na sake koi. No one can do anything to take away your credit, your honor, your success. Body. Hove sukh ghana day dhiyaiye. You will receive abundant happiness, abundant peace. All that you need to do is day dhiyaiye. Apna dhyan, apne thoughts, apna consciousness put on him and meditate on him, and that's all you need to receive abundant happiness. Vanjay roga ghani, har gun gaiye. All your diseases, all your temptations will vanish away. Just har gun gaiye. Praise the Lord, and praise the Lord with your heart, with complete conviction. Andar varte thadi, Prabhu chit aiye. When you truly accept the Lord and He enters you, enters your consciousness, your thought and your soul, you will know, because suddenly within you there is peace, there is calm, there is faith, and there is undying and unquestionable love and affection for that Lord. Puran hoye aas, nai man vasaiye. All your desires and wishes are going to come true only if you put his name within your heart. When he enters you, chant his name, meditate on his name, and as long as his name remains within you genuinely, then there is God, and God always remains with you, and all your desires come true. कोई न लागे बिघन आप गवाइए. Nothing, no sorrows, no apathy, nothing can come towards you when you let go of your ego, when you let go of your the mare on you, your duality, your ego, your pride. When you let go of that and accept God to be your master, then nothing can touch you, my friend. No apathy, no sorrow, nothing can come in your way. ज्ञान पदार्थ मत गुर ते पाइए. On the contrary, you are blessed with a bhandar, with so many virtues, with a treasure chest of virtues, of sensibility, wisdom, different things, thoughts, and well-being, everything that you need to accomplish your goals and stay peaceful and mentally able. All of those different virtues that you can even think about are all given to you once that Lord enters you and you accept that Lord. तिन पाई सबे थोक जिस आप दिवाइए. तिन पाए सबे थोक. That person receives everything जिस आप दिवाइए. To whom you want to give it all. तू सबना का खसम सब तेरी चाहिए. You are the master and the Lord of everything. सब तेरी चाहिए. We are all under your protection, under your shade, and we hope that you can keep our path, our honor, dear Lord, and teach us the way and the manner in which we can keep close to you, because you have already given us prem patola taiso ditta. ढक्कन को पत मेरे वाहिगुरु. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.